Are bundlers still needed for JavaScript ES modules in browsers? Imagine building a website where every little piece loads instantly without slowing down your visitors. Sounds great, right? Well, that's where modern JavaScript features come into play. Today, we're talking about whether bundlers are still necessary for JavaScript ES modules in browsers. In recent years, browsers have gotten a lot smarter. They now support native JavaScript modules, which means you can use the import and export syntax directly in your HTML files. No need for tools to combine files before you load your web page. This makes development easier and faster for small projects or prototypes. You just write your modules, link them in your HTML, and they load in the browser. But things get trickier when your project grows. Loading each module separately can cause many network requests. If you have dozens of modules, your page might load slowly because the browser has to fetch each one individually. That's where bundlers come in. They take all your JavaScript files and combine them into fewer files, often just one. This reduces the number of requests and speeds up your website. Bundlers also do other important things. They can minify your code, which means removing unnecessary spaces and shortening variable names. This makes your files smaller and faster to load. They also perform tree shaking, which removes code that your project doesn't actually use. These steps help keep your website quick and efficient. Another reason bundlers are still useful is compatibility. Not all browsers support ES modules fully, especially older ones. Bundlers can transpile your code into a format that older browsers understand. They also handle assets like CSS, images, and fonts, bundling everything together so your site looks and works perfectly everywhere. Plus, large projects often have complex dependency graphs. Bundlers analyze these dependencies and split code into chunks. This allows parts of your site to load only when needed, saving resources and improving performance. Features like code splitting and lazy loading are built into many bundlers, making your site more dynamic. So, while modern browsers support ES modules natively and you can load modules directly, bundlers still play a vital role. They optimize performance, ensure compatibility, and manage assets for bigger, more complex applications. For small projects, skipping bundlers might be fine. But for anything serious, using a bundler remains a smart choice to keep your website fast and reliable. Understanding both native module support and bundler workflows helps you build better web applications that are easy to develop and quick to load.